Howdy, howdy, y'all, and good morning for your Tuesday. And yes, I'm pre-recording this because, like I said on your Thursday, that I've got family coming in. So, salute and good morning Tuesday. All right, we're going to get into chapter. Hold on, I got to pause it. Okay, I had accidentally closed my Bible out. We're getting in chapter 4. It's just going to be a little short one. And it's basically going to say that you can't get by with anything. God will find out, okay? Well, it goes in here and it talks about that Adam knew his wife. In other words, they got together and conceived and bare Cain. All right, and then there was Abel. Abel was a keeper of sheep and Cain was a tiller of the ground. And they went on, and then it was time to do sacrificing because back then you had to do that. And Abel, he also brought, and in process of time it came to pass that Cain brought of the fruit of the ground and offered unto the Lord. And Abel, he also brought of the firstlings of his flock, and of the fat thereof, and the Lord had respect unto Abel and to his offering. But unto Cain and to his offering he had not respect, and Cain was very wroth and contentious fell. Because Abel brought the firstlings, the best of what he had, where Cain just brought some vegetables, okay? It wasn't the fact that the meat offering was better than the vegetables. It was the fact that he brought the firstlings of his flock, the best, and little more the fat thereof, okay? So that was a thing there between them and God, all right? And then, of course, Cain got upset. He killed Abel. And this is where you can't get by with anything, okay? And the Lord said unto Cain, where is Abel the brother? And he said, I know not. Am I my brother's keeper? And he said, what hast thou done? The voice of thy brother's blood crieth unto me from the ground. And now art thou cursed from the earth, which hath opened her mouth to receive thy brother's blood from thy hand. When thou tillest the ground, it shall not henceforth yield unto thee her strength. A fugitive and a vagabond shalt thou be in the earth. And God even put a mark on Cain's head so that nobody would kill him. All right? Yeah, so Cain was going to have to deal with this his whole life. And the Lord set a mark upon Cain, lest any finding him should kill him. All right? So you can't get by with anything with God, okay? Not murder or anything like that, so you might as well just quit trying to get by with it or say, oh, I'll ask forgiveness later. No, that don't work. God knows your heart. God knows when things happen, including murder. So all these people that thought they got by with murder, hello, the blood will cry unto God, and you will be found out. Okay? So just quit trying to get by with sin and just live God's way. Keep it simple and all that. Well, even though Eve was saddened by the loss of her son Abel, God did bless her. And Adam knew his wife again, and she bare a son, and called his name Seth. For God said she had appointed me another seed. For God said she had appointed me another seed instead of Abel, whom Cain slew. And to Seth, to him also there was born a son, and he called his name Enos, and began men to call upon the name of the Lord. Okay, so she got blessed with a godly man. Because sin is in the world. Things are going to happen like this, like Cain slew Abel. Yes, she was very saddened that her son Abel got killed by her other son. It was a horrible situation, but God saw that it was horrible and she was in pain, emotionally and stuff. And he had mercy upon her and gave her a son Seth. That was to not really replace, but to give her happiness again, okay? And Seth was the one that started the whole generations of to call themselves by the name of the Lord, okay? So even though something bad really happens, if you are really doing the best you can and doing what God tells you to do, God will bless you. You might have to go through a little sorrow in this world because this world is sinful and sorrow happens, all right? But God will bless you. Have faith. Stay strong. Stay strong with the Lord. Do it His way, not your way. Love y'all and have a good day.